Analyze Signals is sales software for a specific operational decision. Analyzes firmographic, technographic, and behavioral signals to identify patterns and correlations for account scoring. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that sales teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Analyze Signals narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Analyze Signals starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include employee count, annual revenue, industry growth rate, tech fit score, and adoption velocity. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies Calculate Firmographic Health Score by combining employee count, revenue, and industry growth with weighted logarithmic normalization and growth adjustments. Calculate Technographic Readiness Score by multiplying Tech Fit Score with adoption velocity and applying a cap to ensure it stays within bounds. Calculate Engagement Intensity Index by normalizing engagement frequency by employee count and comparing to industry benchmarks. Calculate Total Account Prioritization Score by weighting firmographic, technographic, and engagement scores, then adjusting for deal size potential. And calculate the correlation strength percentage, indicating how consistently the firmographic, technographic, and engagement scores align with each other. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how sales teams actually make decisions. Analyze Signals returns structured outputs such as total account score, signal correlation strength, account priority tier, engagement index, and firmographic versus technographic score correlation. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of Analyze Signals is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated sales work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.